Hey, are you struggling with fear, lack of confidence, or growing your brand? I got something for you. Introducing coaching for someone who. Volume 1, your on-the-go coaching solution. 6 powerful modules packed with quick lessons, audio coaching, and action-driven exercises designed to fit into your busy life. You'll get mindset and personal growth, break fear barriers and stay committed. Public speaking and communication. Own your voice with confidence. Business and brand growth. Monetize your expertise and scale your impact. Content creation and social media success. Grow your audience and go viral. Social media, fatigue and digital overload. Manage burnout and stay balanced. Navigating negativity in media. Stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. You want results? It has what you need. You just gotta read. And listen, don't wait. Grab your copy now and start winning. Click the link to get started. And wait, I got a big surprise bonus offer for you. When you grab Volume 1 or 2 of the Coaching for Someone Who digital coaching program, you'll get free access to Pocket Coach, your personal AI-powered coach. Pocket Coach offers expert life coaching and public speaking coaching with personalized tips, actionable steps, and motivational boosts right when you need them. It's like having a coach in your pocket 24/7. So if you're serious about leveling up your life and communication skills, don't miss this exclusive bonus. Tap the link in the description or bio to claim your free access to Pocket Coach, and let's get to work on your purpose.